1. In laying out position, a child's blood vessel network could be stretched more than 60,000 miles. For an adult, it would be around 1 lakh miles. 2. There are billions of nerve cells present in our body, among them 100 billion located in the brain and 13.5 million in our spinal cord. 3. Half of the nerve cells are lost by a newly born child before they take born. 4. Our nervous system is incapable to work in the absence of sodium and potassium. 5. As per a well-known statistics center, the estimated number of new brain cancer cases in USA is 25,050, male 14,170 and females 10,880, and estimated number of death cases is 18,280, males 10,710 and females 7,570, in the year 2022.